We have your attention? Good. In this month's video magazine, we highlight a recent CE training exercise, we share a snippet of Colonel Coleman's retirement party, and conclude with a ribbon-cutting ceremony for the new control tower just built, which will serve Albemarle and our Stanley County facility.
All right, dump her out, Gerald. Dump her out right there and back up and try again. Just back and forth, and you'll get the feel of it.
Okay, first thing you want to do is make sure that the weapon's clear before you field strip it. So in order to do that, you have a magazine release on the side of the weapon. You want to make sure that you press that down. Your magazine should drop out the magazine well. Once your magazine is dropped out of the magazine well, you want to make sure that your weapon is placed on safe. Now, the only way that your weapon will go to safe is if you have a round locked in the chamber or the weapon is charged. If the weapon is not charged...
We're going to hook up one light right here. A set of pigtails. These pigtails can stay on this machine. That way, each time you put it out, you don't never go back into here.
Right, but when we hook up the power, then we're gonna hook it on here.
Right. Thank you. Carl, we drill that out. You can take your bits right back.
All I got is a 5/16.
Yes. I'd make up a 6.
Okay, again, M8 smoke grenade. You want to stand upwind of the smoke. Don't breathe heavy concentrations of this stuff. You want to make sure that you are aware of what's in the area where you're throwing it to, especially if there's personnel. Keep in mind the safety distances, 125 feet for personnel. How far from facilities with facing windows? 200 feet. When in doubt, go to 200. Real simple. Again, secure the spoon in your throwing hand. Pull the pin out. I don't recommend John Wayne in it. I've seen people break their teeth with that thing, and then you look really silly. Make sure you know what's in the direction that you're throwing it. Again, keep in mind if you're doing it around runways, make sure you're not, impeding on any kind of aircraft operations. And throw it. Yeah, those are real short. Copy.